Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that we have a good amount of selling going on gold right now. If you trade on Euro USD, GBP USD, there's intense selling pressure. I can understand, but here also we have a good amount of selling going on. So my dear friends, if you have a sell on gold right now, you can hold your sell position, but you also need to keep in mind that gold is trading at a very crucial level. Okay, yesterday we had a good selling opportunity just below this level. Yesterday I could not upload video due to time constraint, but yes, I uploaded on the Telegram community. So if you're still not a part, feel free to join the free Telegram community because I don't get time to upload videos. Okay, for timely updates, okay, please join it. The link will be in the description, and please be careful because there are lots of scammers also. Many scams going on in my name. For example, this group you can see a group with 65,000 members. It's a scam going on. I do not have any investment services. Be careful. So if you're wondering why gold is under pressure, then you need to understand that gold falls as trade risk outlook eases. Gold hovers near 3-week lows. Gold prices edge up to around 3310 per ounce on Tuesday, but remain close to its lowest level in nearly 3 weeks as easing trade tensions continue to weigh on safe haven demand. So my dear friend, okay, you must be knowing that market gets direction from the fundamentals. If a market is bullish, then there must be a reason. Market doesn't go up without any reason. Market doesn't go down without any reason. Market was bullish because of the trade war threat. So when market is getting a relief that finally okay things are getting back to normal, so gold is losing the safe haven demand because whenever there is a crisis, global threat, gold always shoots up, and when things return to normal, gold always come down. So when trade war threat was there, gold was super bullish, crazy bullish. But now, okay, trade war threat or okay, trade tension is easing. Okay, जिसके चलते, okay, market is going down. Okay, so we need to plan our trades accordingly. But there are many things okay we need to understand. So let's discuss one by one. But keep in mind, okay, this video is for today only because I'm a day trader. Because day trading is my forte. I have been a day trader okay for more than a decade, so positional trades, swing trades are not my forte. So this is the daily chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that on the daily chart the sentiment is little bit different because on the hourly chart market was heavily bearish, means market is fully under the dominance of sellers. But if you look at a daily chart, we can see that the overall market is bullish. What the overall trend of the market is bullish, and if we focus on the recent candles, then we can see for the last 2-3 months the trend of gold is sideways. So what is the overall trend here? Overall trend is bullish, but the present trend okay is sideways. But still okay, we cannot consider that gold is bearish for the last few weeks and months. But yes, what do we see here okay is just a correction, or we can also call it as a retracement. Okay, so if we just need to take a trade here, then obviously you can see the market is hitting the support zones. So taking a trade below 3300 as a swing trade or position trade okay is not a very good decision, because at any point okay you may see gold going up again. Because if you look at the chart carefully, listen to me carefully, okay, because this is important. Market is sideways, but market is not trading in a range. Okay, market is not respecting any proper support here. We do not have a fixed support. Yes, we do have a resistance at the top, but we do not have a support. So we don't know from which point the market will bounce precisely. But yes, one thing we can see here is that market has entered the support zone. So maybe tomorrow, maybe after 3-4 days, okay, there is a possibility that gold may go up. So if you're a swing trader, and you are looking for a sell position, then I think okay, it's not the right time. And if you're a positional trader, then obviously you should always be on the buy side because gold is fundamentally bullish. There is no doubt about it. Because positional traders hold their positions for a couple of months to couple of years. And you can easily see that if you're a positional trader planning to hold gold for a long time, you should always be on the buy side. If you're planning to hold for a couple of days, then you can take a sell position if gold is heavy bearish. But I think, okay, this is not the right time because there is a good chance that in this week, okay, we may see some sort of trend reversal, at least temporary, because gold is sideways for the last couple of months. And if you look at the 4 hours time frame, we get a similar picture because 4 hours time frame, okay, is better than the daily time frame to understand the levels here. So you can see I have drawn many levels here. Okay, so as per the 4 hours time frame, okay, which is the best support? Okay, you can clearly see that 3250, 3245, okay, is the best support because this is the level where market has shown significant price rejection from below, and it looks like a very strong support. So this is the best support. So if you are a swing trader, position trader looking for a very good trade, then this can be a good level to go for a buy position if market takes support. Okay, 3250, 3245, but chances of market going to the level is not very high. So another support, okay, where we can look for a buy is around 328. Let's make it 82 to 85. Okay, this is another level where we can look for a support if market goes down. As I said, 3250 is a good level for swing traders. Okay, 328285 is not a very good for swing trader, but as a day trader, you can expect a bounce of 60 to 80 pips. After that, if you see that market has further potential, market is really bullish, you can go on with your buy position. But 328285 is it seems to be a very good level for day traders as of now. If market takes support, then only hit the buy button. Now we are on the hourly chart. Okay, so you can see this is our 328582 level. Okay, so to reach this level, market needs to break 3300, isn't it? Yes. If you see that during the day market breaks 3300, you can look for a sell below it as well, preferably during the US session, because 3300 is not only a previous low here, it is also a round number psychological support. So volume is important. For example, yesterday we had a good volume here. Here also we had a good volume. To break the previous low, we need a good fall. If you see market is going down with a good amount of selling pressure, you can look for a sell below it. But during the day, listen to me carefully. Okay, during the day, the same level may also act as support as well. Because see, to break any level, volume is important. If volume is missing, market will not be able to break it. So during the day, okay, keep your eyes on 3300, 3302, because the same level may also act as support as well. 3300, 330203. Okay, this particular level may act as support as well. Because if you see market is volume is low, you can go for a buy position. How much you can expect on a weak support like this? If you can score 50 pips also, it is good enough. But during the US session, usually we see volume रहता है. So if you see the market is dropping with volume, go for a sell below it. One level, two opportunities. It all depends on the volume. Okay. And if market goes up from here, then obviously, okay, sell on rise or sell at resistance can be a very good strategy. In this situation, we have a very good selling opportunity around 335060. Yes, this is a big zone here. Okay, 335060. You can see here the dotted line here. Let me mark it as a black line. Okay, you can see this is a big zone here. Okay, this is a big zone here during the day. Okay, if market goes up, we can look for a sell opportunity around this area, but this level is far away. I don't think so market has the chance or potential strength to go there. So as a day trader, okay, before the US session especially, you can look for a sell around 3332 3333. 3,333. Okay, and also around this area as well, 3,325. Okay, 3,325. So these are the minor resistances, but in this situation, yes, you can look for a sell opportunity. Okay, if you see that market is showing price rejection from above, you can look for a sell position. But if you see that there is a sudden recovery during the US session, then please quit the idea. Then only wait for 335060, that big zone only. Okay, but as of now, okay, let's wait and watch whether market is able to break this level or not. Keep in mind, without volume, market won't be able to break it. If you see the market is going down with a big candle, then only hit the sell button. Otherwise, there is a good chance that without volume, market may take support as well. Okay, so these are the trading opportunities on the chart of gold right now. So if I have missed anything, please feel free to write down in the comment section, because during the day, obviously there are lots of opportunities also come up. Okay, for example, during the day, if you see the market is going below this level, okay, then we can also sell below it, but volume is missing right now. Okay, during the European session, if volume comes, okay, we can go for a sell, but obviously not worthy of mentioning here. So feel free to write down in the comment section, and if you have liked the video, okay, hit the like button. Thank you so much. Bye bye.